In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add to favorites in Tradingview. If you use the same indicators often, favoriting them saves time and keeps your chart setup consistent. Let's walk through it from the beginning so everything is clear and easy to follow. Start by going to tradingview.com. Once the homepage loads, look along the top navigation and click on Products. From the menu that appears, choose Supercharts. This opens the main charting interface where you'll do most of your analysis. Inside the chart, find the Indicators button on the top toolbar and click it. This opens the Indicators and Strategies window. Here you'll see a search bar at the top, a list of categories on the left, and the results in the main panel. There's also a Favorites section in this window, which will be useful in just a moment. To add indicators to your favorites, first make sure you're browsing the right category. Click on Technicals to see TradingView's built-in technical indicators. If the panel closes at any point, just click Indicators again to bring it back up. On the left side, you'll see the list of categories and filters. In the main list of indicators, notice that each indicator has a small star icon beside its name. That star is the key to favoriting. Hover over an indicator you want quick access to in the future, and click the star. When the star turns yellow, it means the indicator has been added to your favorites. Now let's confirm it's saved. In the Indicators window, click on the Favorites section. You should see the indicator you just starred listed there. From now on, whenever you open the Indicators window and go to Favorites, your starred tools will be ready to add to the chart in a single click. A couple of quick tips to make this smoother. If you already know the name of an indicator, use the search bar at the top of the window, then click the star right from the search results. If you rely on a small set of tools, consider favoriting them all at once so your workflow stays fast and consistent. And make sure you're signed into your TradingView account so your favorites stay synced across sessions. That's it. Go to Supercharts, open Indicators, browse Technicals, click the star next to the tools you use most, and check the Favorites section to confirm. With your key indicators saved, setting up any chart becomes a quick, repeatable process.